Welcome to you all. Today's topic is electric dipole in a uniform electric field. So let us consider on electric dipole consisting of charges plus q and minus q at A and B, which is suspended in a uniform electric field. Clear? So, an electric dipole consisting two charges plus q and minus q, which is suspended in a uniform electric field. So, this is the electric field. Uniform electric field. Means this is your positive, this is negative. This is the uniform electric field. Equidistance, lines of force equidistance. A dipole is suspended. It means it is placed, the dipole is placed in this field. That is AB. Plus q is at A, minus q is at B. Clear? Dipole. So the dipole, dipole length is 2A. Clear? The angle is your theta. Now that means this dipole is inclined with the lines of force with an angle theta. These two charges experiences forces. Which force? This is one force, this is another force. So these two forces, the force at A part A, that is F is equal to plus Q E. Why plus Q E? E is the intensity, this E is equal to F by Q. So F is equal to E. This force F at B. B means the minus Q. A plus Q is placed at A, minus Q is placed at B. Clear? So this F is equal to QE, this is also equal to minus Q. These two forces, F at A or B, these two forces are not acting on a single line. So as these two forces are not acting on a single line, these two forces constitute a couple. You would say couple. torque? Exert torque. What is the torque? Torque is equal to force, either force, this force or this force. Clear? Force into perpendicular distance between these two charges. Perpendicular distance. Two charges. So what is the perpendicular distance? This is the perpendicular distance AC. So that is equal to A into AC. Clear? Now what is AC? You can find out the AC. If this is angle of theta, this is also theta. In the triangle ABC, what is sin theta? That is AC by AB. What is AB? AB is the length of the dipole, that is equal to 2A. Let 2A is the dipole length. This implies AC is equal to AB sin theta, that is 2A sin theta. Clear? So what is torque? Torque is equal to F into 2A sin theta. What is F? What is your force? This force is equal to QE, magnitude. So QE into 2A sin theta. So this implies torque is equal to E, that is electric field intensity, by field strength, Q into 2A, that is dipole moment. So E into P sin theta, or P is sin theta. So that is equal to P E sin theta. So torque in the dipole, is equal to P E sin theta. This is the torque. In vector form, tie P cross E. This is the vector rotation, vector form. Clear? Some cases. Special case, case 1. If theta is equal to 0 degree. If theta is equal to 0 degree. If theta is equal to 0, what is your sin theta? Sin theta is also 0. So the torque is equal to P sin theta is 0. Theta is 0. What is the meaning of theta 0? Means this dipole is in this direction. Mean this is the lines of force of the field dipole is 0. Means theta means this angle theta, that is 0 degree. Dipole means A. This is the dipole. Same direction. This is the dipole AB. Angle is 0 degree. So if this 0, then there is no torque exerted by the couple. Case 1. The case 2. If theta is equal to 180 degree, if theta is equal to 180 degree, then what is your sin theta? Sin theta is also 0. So torque is 0. So what is this? In the direction, it is the electric field, and dipole is like this. Means dipole in this direction. So negative to positive. Here positive, here negative to positive. This is the negative positive, but this is negative positive. So chi is 0. Case 3. If theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, means what is your term? The P E sin theta. Means sin 90. Sin 90 means 1. P E. That is maximum. That is maximum. Means this is E, this is P. These are all your electric dipole in a uniform electric. Now, potential energy of an electric dipole in an electric field. What is the definition? Amount of work done in rotating the dipole. The amount of work done in rotating the dipole amount of work done in rotating the dipole from one position to another in an electric field. Is known as the potential energy of an electric dipole. Clear? So this is the definition. The amount of work done in rotating the dipole. The dipole is rotates, turning. Dipole from one position to another position, another in an electric field is known as the potential energy. Then what is the expression for that? This is the uniform electric field having strength E. Clear? And dipole, suppose this is the first one position, y dash. This is the dipole AB. At A the charge plus Q, at B the charge minus Q. Clear? So y dash is the first position. That is the zero energy position. First position 1 is the zero energy position. The dipole AB is placed with an angle theta with the lines of force. Lines of force. Let the zero energy position is taken as one which is the right angles to the lines of force of the field. That is y dash. This is the first position of the dipole. The length of the dipole is 2a. At this position, the force is F. This position is force is F. So 2a is the dipole length. Theta is the angle of inclination, charge is plus Q minus Q, F is the force, is the electric field intensity. Now, this dipole constitute a couple and which exerts a torque. What is the torque in the dipole? P sine theta. What is P? Where P is the dipole moment of the dipole, that is equal to charge into 2a distance, that is equal to 2aq, this dipole moment. So the torque is equal to P sine theta. This theta is the angle of inclination, the angle between the dipole and the electric field. Suppose this dipole at first placed over the y dash, the first position. Now it is rotates. This dipole is rotates with a small angle d theta. So when it is rotates, the work done is very small, that is dw. So let dw is equal to small amount of work done in rotating the dipole through an angle d theta. So that means now position is like this. This is the small position angle is d theta. So if dw is the small amount of work done, then we can find out what is dw. So dw is equal to torque into d theta. This is the expression, we know that. So dw is equal to tie d theta. So if we can find out the dw when the dipole is rotates very small angle, small rotation, then what is the total work done when the position is from y dash to AB? For that, first that is equal to times PE sin theta d theta. So dw is equal to PE sin theta d theta. Okay. Work done by the dipole when it rotates from y dash to AB, then we can find out this. What is? At AB, we suppose the work done is W. So W is equal to integration of dW 0 to W. 0 to W. So dW is equal to PE sin theta d theta. For the limit, starting is y dash, the angle is 90. That is 90 degree to theta. Theta is this, theta any angle, theta. So 90 to theta. So that is equal to, this implies W is equal to PE sin theta d theta 90 to theta. That is equal to PE sin theta. That is equal to minus cos theta. Minus cos theta 90 to theta. That is PE upper minus lower minus cos theta minus of cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0, so that is equal to PE into minus cos theta, that is equal to minus PE cos theta. So total amount of work done or potential energy is equal to minus PE cos theta. This is the potential energy of an electric dipole in an electric field. Then some cases, special cases. Case 1. Case 1, if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, then what is the W? W is equal to minus PE cos 90. What is cos 90? That is 0. 0. So that is 0. So there is the potential energy is 0. Theta 90 means the dipole is in this direction along y dash. That is the dipole is like theta is 90 like this. So there is no energy, there is no work. Case 2. If theta is equal to 0 degree, if theta 0 means the dipole along this line direction. So that means what is your W? Minus PE cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, that is minus PE. Clear? Minus P means this is the field direction. Dipole, this is the field direction in electric field, lines of force. Dipole is this. So if that means lines of force and dipole moment both are parallel to each other. If parallel, then W is equal to minus P. Case 3. If theta is equal to 180 degree, then W is equal to minus P into cos 180. Cos 180 means minus 1. So that is equal to minus PE into minus 1, that is plus PE. So plus PE means the lines of force and dipole anti-parallel to each other. This is the lines of force, this is the P, dipole moment. So now that means 180 means this is the dipole. Dipole rotate like this. This. Clear? So case 1, if 90 theta 90, W is 0. If theta 0, W minus P. If theta 180, W plus P. These two are parallel, these two are anti-parallel. So this all about your potential energy of an electric dipole. That means when dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, we can find out the energy in different cases. That's all. Thank you all.